Hey guys, so I just want to do some of those waves. They kind of look like beach waves. They're a little bit of like an S shape. I just woke up, so this is what my hair looks like. I'm just gonna brush it out. This is still, I wore my hair up yesterday and I put some hairspray in it, a little bit of bedroom hair, dry shampoo. I'm gonna decide where I want my hair to part. I think I'm gonna part it on the side. Take a look at my roots. I've got lots of volume today, probably because I wore it down or wore it up yesterday. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of the dry shampoo though. Just, I know throughout the day, sometimes it looks like we don't need dry shampoo, but then throughout the day, our oils continue to build, and halfway through the day, then we're wondering why we didn't put dry shampoo on in the morning. So sometimes it's just a good idea to do it. You just don't have to use as much as you would have had you needed it in the morning. Okay, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of the 11 Australia Miracle Hair Treatment. I use this on my hair dry all the time, especially after I've used some products on it that might dry it out a little bit. I can also use this after styling if you do curls. It's really nice to use that on your ends. So I'm just gonna section it. I'm gonna do bigger sections. I usually always do big sections. I'm all about quick because I usually don't have a lot of time to style my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my flat iron. I'm gonna bend it this way, opposite way, and then back down. I think I took a little bit too big of a section, which I do sometimes. You get a little bit of a crimp in there. So it's just giving it like a little bit of like a beach kind of wave. I'm not too picky about it. I know that my hair was already a little bit crimpy when I started. I always feel like with hair, there's no point in being a perfectionist. It's gonna change when we go outside with whatever weather's out there. I'm not too sure how it's gonna look at the front because I am on day 4 of not washing. So if it looks funny, I'll probably throw half of it up or just throw the bangs back or something like that. This is pretty quick though, because you're not taking the time to flat iron your hair complete. Like, you're going over all the pieces, but you're not taking the time to make it look so perfect like we usually do when we're flat ironing. We always are wanting our hair to look absolutely perfect. It's weird to see it too. I notice when I'm first done, it doesn't look like very crimped. It looks kind of drab, but then once you get your hands in there and you mess it up a little bit, it creates more of like a lived-in look, which is all we're looking for. So in the back, my crown will always split. Right here, it always splits. So I always try and correct that. Now I have the temperature on my flat iron on high, but I also am using a professional iron. If you do not have a professional iron, if you haven't had your iron fully on high, I'd recommend testing it first to make sure that it's not too hot for your hair. It's not burning your hair at all. Okay. I was thinking I might wear some of it up, but I think it looks perfect. I think it looks nice and beachy. It's nice for the summer. If I want, I can spray a little bit of the bedroom hair in. It's just gonna keep it kind of looking nice and big all day and put a little bit of shine in there. This is also a good thing to do if you want to have braids, if you want to do the Dutch braids or braid or a ponytail and you just want your hair to look big and full. My hair doesn't look very big and full. It usually falls pretty flat. But even if you do have big, thick hair, it's putting the flat iron through is going to smooth it out at least, so it doesn't look like you just have this big, thick, wavy hair. It's going to look a little bit smoother. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. So hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.